How to access Game Center on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and go to Game Center as shown. Game Center is Apple's built-in social gaming network for Apple devices, allowing you to manage profiles, play with friends, track achievements, and compete on leaderboards within supported games. You can customize your profile, add friends, view their activity, and manage privacy settings for a connected gaming experience. Then, tap on Customize Profile. You can customize your profile from here. Go back and scroll down to the end to sign out if you want. Following these steps, you can easily access Game Center on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.